Okay, this might be the cutest coffee ever. A Pusheen Peppermint Mocha Cat. Well, let's grab your Posca markers and let's draw. So I'm going to draw 2 dots and a foreshortened circle, and this is going to begin the cylinder for the Starbucks cup. Curving a line out to the right, and on the left, I'm curving this line out to the left. That creates some thickness for the lip of this cup here. I'm going to match that curve down. And now I'm going to go ahead and draw the cup. These lines are going to taper down. They're going to get closer as they go towards the bottom. And the biggest mistake I see kids make is they draw a straight line across for the base. So you want to make sure that you curve this line down. Right here. Awesome. We're off to a great start. Okay, let's go ahead and start roughing in Pusheen. So I'm basically using a line that curves up. And I always try to make Pusheen look like an egg yolk. Like on sunny side up eggs. Now adding the ears. So I'm just following that shape of the head. And the ears are rounded at the top. And then the same thing here. So I'm going to follow the shape of the head up. And then I'm going to curve this line down. So I'm going to do a little bit of erasing here. Kind of roughing that in. So sometimes we use construction lines, and it's a good idea to clean them up when you're done with them. So these are going to be the markings at the top of Pusheen's head. And those 2 lines that curve down for the mouth. And you have these lines that curve down for the eyes as well. Obviously, you could always substitute your own expression. And adding these whiskers. And we have a little bit of overlapping now. So the paws are going over the top of the lip of this cup. Now we're just going to rough in a shape where we're going to put the whipped cream on top. Yeah, Pusheen definitely ordered the holiday special. So these lines do curve out to the left on the left-hand side. And then they're going to curve out now to the right on the right-hand side. Yeah, I think Pusheen is 90% cozy and 10% caffeine. So we're going to curve a line up. So this is a cylinder that you cannot see the top of. It's above our eye level. So we're going to curve a line up for the top of that straw. We're going to add the tail. We're going to use these cross contour lines that curve around the form. It's going to make the tail appear to be more three-dimensional. I guess you got to be careful when you're drinking this. You don't want to drink the cat. So for this Starbucks logo, I'm going to go ahead and start off with a circle. Just kind of roughing that in. All right, so I went in and cleaned up that circle a little bit. I'm kind of building a snowman here. Look at these shapes. It's almost like I built a snowman. And now I'm going to go ahead and draw a line across. That's where the eyes are going to go. So these are proportions now. So if I measure from the eyes to the chin, the nose is in the middle. And if I measure from the nose to the chin, the mouth is in the middle. So that's where the placement is going to be for the eyes, nose, and mouth. And now we're going to follow this contour, this outline that we've created with our snowman. That's going to create the hair. These wavy lines that follow the same curve as our snowman. And then we're going to draw the crown. So the crown is basically a rectangle. And then we're going to add some triangles to it. We'll also place a star at the top of this crown. So these are some of the triangular shapes that we're getting now. And then at the top, I'm going to draw a star. All right, so I'm now kind of creating kind of football shapes. And you can see this line curves up and then out towards the edge of the head. It's almost just like a little oval for the nose and a little half circle for the mouth. I'm just going to start going over the outline of this little snowman now a little bit. So I'm going to be creating some little rectangles for the tail. What looks like a mermaid tail, right? On both sides. And these are the rectangles that we're creating now. Same thing on the other side. We're drawing some of these rectangles. And this is like the top of the mermaid tail. There's two lines that come out right here. All right, so we're going to get ready to outline. I'm using a different marker today. It's the Faber-Castell 1.5. I liked it. So I'm using colors value today. So I'll have like red, dark red, and coral pink. Those will be 3 values for the red. I'm going in with a dark red marker into that logo. And then on the cup, I went in with the red, the dark red, and the coral pink. So the dark red is creating the shadows. Light pink, coral pink is creating the highlights. Use an off-brand light gray marker. And then that is the Posca gray. And I have ivory and beige for whipped cream on top. And I'm just kind of going back over that Starbucks logo. And there you have it.